What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2007 Suzuki V-Strom. This bike is dope. This is the 650 V-Strom. Wow, wow, wow. 650. Now I know what you're thinking, like, dang, I want that 1100. We had a 2004 1100 and I hated the way that bike rode. This bike's amazing. I just brought it out here. I've been riding it around the parking lot. I know that's not like a great sample size, but still, it doesn't drive as crappy as most of the V-Stroms that I drive. I think it rides great. I think it's super light. It's nimble. The 1000 we had was just so top heavy and horrible, and I didn't like it. And I know people rave about them and they're bulletproof, but man, I hated it. There's some scratches on the sticker there and on the plastic. Scuff right there. Bike's in pretty darn good shape though. It's got these the battle wing Bridgestones. Maybe that's part. I mean, I have a way less aggressive tire on this. Maybe I just don't hate the way it drives as much because of that. Two little stone chips in the front. Little scuff right there, as you can see that on the frame. Let's see. It looks like it's in really good shape. This bike's really nice, guys. The seat's in really good shape. It's pretty much all stock. These are chain driven. I think it's got right around like 17 on it. 17,872. And listen, it fires up right away. And it runs really good. It runs really smooth. A couple of scuffs on that right there. Like I said, guys, this bike's in great shape. 2007 Suzuki V-Strom 650. This bike will not last long, guys. Anybody who's looking to kind of get into that venture touring route, this is a killer bike to get in on. It's super cheap. I think it's like $3,900. Super cheap for what it is. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to let me know if this is something you're interested in. Check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as the site where I got tons of photos of it. Thanks for watching, guys.